In the northeast of Namibia, about 1 to 2 hours away from Grootfontein, there is a museum, a living museum. I'm sorry, I'm going to butcher a lot of the names in this video, but I want to share some of the lessons I learned from the San people or Bushmen. So this museum is called the hoansi Living Museum. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it, but I tried. It has a setup of the San people, like the San people's traditional way of life. They teach you about their culture, and they also offer lessons on like how to make a bow and arrow, how to make a fire with that matchstick. You can also have bushwalks and track animals depending on what you're interested in. I booked a lesson on how to make a bow and arrow, but they also taught us how to make a fire, which I thought was so good.
Hey, Juma.
Kaja.
Yo.
Kaja.
Guys, you are welcome to the traditional village.
Thank you.
Questions, you are welcome to ask. Pictures, you are welcome to.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So the hunter here, his name is Kari.
Okay.
Kari is welcome.
And the young hunter, who's also our translator, is called Grau. He also has an English name called Elvis.
To learn more.
Thank you for
welcoming us. Kaja.
So what's he gonna do? He's gonna make a
Bow and arrow.
Show you how to make fire.
fire. Yeah?
Okay. I think making a fire without modern tools is a very important survival skill, especially for people who travel a lot like me, because you never know, you could get stranded in the middle of nowhere and not have any match with you to light up a fire. A fire can prevent some predators from coming near you because a lot of animals are scared of fire, so you can use it for protection as well. Okay.
This bigger tree here called Mangeti. Mangeti. It's also a nut. Papa eat the
You can eat the nut.
You can see the nut.
Okay.
Wow.
He's making the hole.
Making the new hole. Because that's how you make it. When it's short, you throw it away, then you cut another one.
Another one from here.
Yes.
How old are you, brother?
Yeah, he doesn't know his age.
I mean you, bro.
Oh, me. Yes, I'm 21 years old.
Oh, cool.
He's still a baby.
And you?
33.
Pretty. Oh.
Me, 27.
Also give these two sticks names. The other stick is called female. The other one is called
Female?
And male.
Because female because of the holes.
And the fire?
Yeah.
Fire is male?
Baby.
Baby.
Baby!
Oh, who's the baby? To make the fire, you will need 2 straight dry sticks, very thin dry grass, and a knife or a tree bark. You will also have to create small holes on one of the sticks. The other stick has to have a sharp point. This point has to fit the holes created on the other stick. The sand will go into the holes created on the stick.
You need to put a little bit of sand for friction.
Okay, so because I was wondering what was that? The dry grass and the knife will go underneath the stick which has the holes. Now starting with the knife or the bark, then the grass.
For example, during those old times when they were not having
The knife, yeah.
they used to put a bark of the tree under.
Okay, yeah.
Once you have the setup ready, you can start rubbing the sticks like this. You also need to understand the right pressure to put on the sticks. Otherwise, you can get blisters. So you need to put just enough pressure And it's better to work as a team because you bring different types of energy.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's done.
You came?
Yeah.
The grass catches the embers that falls from the friction of the sticks and eventually will start a fire.
This hunter. Atan siya gaman akong tungak kuning ang ara ko ako ata kuning ang gam ako sin ara sa pa ako nuite.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, the baby is born.
The baby is born. That's amazing.
Like for example, when you are a hunter and you hunt,
Yeah.
sun rise and get
Coming
down.
down.
Yeah.
Then you make a fire, sleep next to
Sleep next to the fire.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
That's amazing.
Also pen meat.
You burn me or you cook me?
Oh, okay. So yeah, you grill the meat. Oh wow, nice.
Does,
It's very light.
Want you to try?
it's very light, you know.
Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.